Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you're new, my name is Roxy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a new clear lace.
Just a quick note guys, I continuously call this a clear lace. It is a single knot lace
from Xrsbeauty. Thanks so much for sponsoring this video, XRS. So they launched this new single knot wig. Apparently the previous wigs that we've been wearing and we've been showcasing have double knots, so there is a difference. The single knot laces look more natural. On top of that, not only does it look more natural, these units are beginner friendly. The unit I got was 18 inches in length, 150% density guys, and it comes with a fake scalp. So the fake scalp allows you to kind of get rid of that step where you have to do like a ball cap method. Honestly, just braid your hair back and just put the wig on top of your head and you still get a nice natural looking lace and scalp. Knots look a lot lighter, they're a lot thinner. You don't see like all the grids and stuff like that, which I think is really good, especially if you're not good with bleaching your knots and like customizing it. So it just makes your hairline basically look more natural. Like, so they sent the unit with the braids intact. I'm not going to be keeping in the braids, but they did leave it there for us to see the single knots and how, you know, how more natural it looks when you part down the wig. All right guys, we're gonna get into this installation. I'm gonna be using Got2b Free Spray today. The only thing I'm gonna do is maybe add a little bit of foundation here to further customize it, even though they did a beautiful job at customizing this wig. Actually feel like a beginner. I haven't installed my own wig in so long, so maybe I'm really trying this out as a beginner. But I'm gonna spray some Got2b Free Spray on the lace and in sections, and then set it with the dryer. I'm just taking a little bit of powder to blend in the lace into my skin furthermore. These braids are super cute, but I am gonna take them out and press them out just to kind of finish the style off. I think I'm gonna do like a nice middle part, but by all means, if you love the two braids, definitely keep the braids in. But for myself, I think I'm definitely going to take these out and press it out with my hot comb guys and straighten it out, give myself a nice sleek middle part. You can really see that the hair took the shape of the box that it was in, so I'm just using the flat iron to just press everything out. Ooh. Just want to go ahead and seal it with an elastic band. It was very effortless for me to turn this into a side part. The fake scalp runs from ear to ear to about 6 inches of the unit. I could be wrong, it could go a little bit deeper. All I did was make my part, and I ran the flat, the hot comb across to kind of just flatten it and smooth it. The hair is nice and light, so it didn't take too much effort for me to flatten it. I could have went ahead and did like customized baby hairs like at the side, but I kind of just want to leave it nice and long. It looks really cute. I'm really feeling myself. I'm feeling nice and, you know, mature, soft. It's giving soft life. So even though this is like a new launch, you know, single knot clear lace, I want you guys to know that it's still affordable. It's about $70 to $80 cheaper than the other clear lace series. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and definitely check out Xrsbeauty Hair for your single knot lace wig.